Hello friends, today's tech update is wild. Karpathy, a founding member of OpenAI and now joining Anthropic, has been making waves in the world of AI research. But why does this matter right now? Well, it's all about the future of technology, my friends. So, what exactly is Karpathy doing at these companies? At OpenAI, he was instrumental in creating cutting-edge AI models like GPT-3 and much more. Now, he's moving to Anthropic, a company focused on building safer and more aligned AI systems. So why the switch? Well, it turns out that Karpathy believes in the importance of not just developing advanced AI technology but also ensuring its safe and responsible use. This is where Anthropic comes in, with their focus on creating AI systems that are not only powerful but also aligned with human values. Now let's break this down a bit more. What does it mean for an AI system to be aligned with human values? Isn't AI just a tool for processing data and making predictions? Well, yes and no. While AI has been primarily used as a data processing tool until now, its potential applications are much broader, from autonomous vehicles to advanced healthcare systems. As these technologies become more prevalent in our lives, we need to ensure that they work in our best interests rather than causing harm. This is where the concept of alignment comes in. Essentially, it's about ensuring that AI systems share our goals and values, so they make decisions that are beneficial for humanity as a whole. It's a complex challenge that requires a deep understanding of both human psychology and machine learning techniques. But how does all this play out in practical terms? Let me give you an example. Imagine you're using a search engine to find information about a particular topic. Normally, the AI behind the scenes is just trying to provide accurate results based on your query. But what if the AI was also considering its own values and goals? That's where things start getting interesting, and a bit scary. If an AI system starts prioritizing its own objectives over yours, it could lead to some less than ideal outcomes. For instance, imagine a self-driving car that decides to prioritize the safety of its passengers over other road users, like pedestrians or cyclists. You can see how this might cause problems if the AI isn't properly aligned with human values. So, what's Karpathy's role in all this? Well, he believes that by focusing on building AI systems that are explicitly designed to be safe and aligned, we can help ensure a future where technology enhances rather than replaces humanity. But there's one common misconception I'd like to address before we wrap up. Some people believe that the goal of creating safe AI is at odds with its ability to learn and adapt quickly. In other words, they worry that making AI safe means limiting its intelligence or flexibility. But that's simply not true. A safe and responsible AI system doesn't have to be a dumb one, it just needs to be designed with an understanding of how humans think and behave. By doing this, we can create AI systems that are both powerful and aligned with our values, paving the way for a future where technology works alongside us rather than against us. So there you have it. That's why Karpathy's move from OpenAI to Anthropic matters right now, because it's all about shaping the future of AI in a safe and responsible way. And remember, as tech continues to evolve at breakneck speed, our job is to stay informed and engaged so we can help guide its development in a way that benefits everyone. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.